Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a video to TikTok from your computer. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to tiktok.com. In the top right corner, click Login and sign in using your TikTok credentials, email, phone number, or any connected account. Once logged in, locate the Upload button at the left side of the homepage. Click it to access the Upload page. Here, you'll see an option to either drag and drop your video file or browse your computer to select it. Make sure your video is in MP4 or WebM format with a resolution of at least 720 pixels. The maximum video length is typically 60 seconds. After uploading the file, TikTok will show a preview. If your video isn't in vertical format, TikTok will adjust its display automatically. Now move to the description box. Add a relevant title, hashtags, or tag other users using the @ symbol followed by their username. Choose a cover image by dragging the preview slider to the best frame. Then set your privacy preference, public, friends only, or private. You can also decide whether others can comment, duet, or react to your video. Adjust these settings based on your needs. Finally, once everything is ready, click Post or Upload. Your video will now appear on your TikTok profile. So that's basically how you can upload a video to TikTok from your computer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.